You are 1 month out
Yes.
from your halo.
Yes.
Tell me how you think things are going.
Amazing. I'm so happy. Not wearing a lot of makeup most days, which is great, especially with the mask. So it's helped keeping the skin very clear and tender.
Slip that off.
So a lot of the brown spots through here and hyperpigmentation have lightened immensely. Seeing the Visia and seeing those numbers was so exciting today.
It's incredible.
Yeah, the different shading and the brown spots. So I'm definitely next year do it again and just continue to lift any other sun damage further out and just having fresh, healthy skin. And I've noticed such a difference in my neck.
Oh, I can see that.
Yeah, my favorite part. So excited to do a décolleté gel.
I know, we'll do that too.
We'll
take care of that.
But yeah,
your skin looks amazing. I mean, what I see when we look together on the Visia, we did the comparison from July to now, was just a marked decrease in the sun damage. And the texture looks so much better and your pores look so much tighter. Your skin just has kind of a nice satin sheen to it, which is beautiful.
Thank you.
Good.
That was my biggest concern. You guys knocked it out of the park. So
good.
So
well, that's great.
Thank
Good.
you.
You're so welcome. Glad you're doing well.